Okay, let's try this regression line statistics question. There's a rugby team here, and there's the weights of 15 players, and these are the number of push-ups they can do in a minute down here. Each person's weight is matched with how many push-ups they can do in a minute, and they graphed all these points. They make these points here, and what we're looking for is the line that best goes through them. As the kilograms increase, you can kind of see that the number of push-ups a person can do in a minute seems to go down. Well, that's the results here. But how do you get this regression line? Well, there's a video in the next slide, and you just learn to put these in your calculator, these X values. If you push the right buttons in your calculator, up will come a table with X and Y. You put in the numbers, you clear it, you go Shift Stat and go to something called regression. And if you press A, you'll get 39.46. That's the y-intercept. And if you press B, and then equals, you'll get the gradient, negative 0.59. And there's your equation of the regression line. Minus 0.79x plus 39.46. So this line would touch right up there at about 39.46. Now, if you clear it and shift and go shift and then regression again, you'll get this thing called the correlation coefficient. It's a negative correlation because it's going down as you move from left to right. And the closer it is to 1, closer here to -1, the stronger the negative correlation. This is a strong correlation. Now, predict the push-ups for a weight of 29. All you do is take 29 and put it into the equation. So there's your A, 39.46 minus 0.459 times 29. You get 22.35 push-ups. Doesn't quite get to 23 push-ups. And the mean's there too. You clear it and go shift regression, and you'll see a Y bar. And the Y bar is 18.33. Your calculator does all this work. Now, if the mean increased, if the only thing that happened is the mean increase, how would it affect the standard deviation? Well, if everything went up by 5, say the mean went up by 5, it won't affect the standard deviation at all. It has no effect. Now, the next question, there's this whole, a lot of words, but the main thing is, what's the maximum increase to get to this line? The coach has decided that the regression line is the minimum. Who can increase the most? Well, this person here is way down, can only do 6 push-ups a minute. They've got the best chance to improve. They're at 6. They could get up here all the way to 16. They could increase. So an increase of 10 from this player is the maximum increase possible. And you have to look at your data to sort of think, this guy could improve, that could improve, but this guy could really improve. You just have to look at the data and be able to take a look at it. And that's got to be the person that could increase the most. There's a lot of words in that question, but that's all they're asking for.